This is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 22nd April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market last Friday traded mixed. Dow up by around 211 points, but S&P 500 and Nasdaq traded lower. Nasdaq down significantly. Nasdaq down by around 2%, trading at 15,282. In my video itself, last week we discussed Nasdaq traded below 16,000 mark. From there on, every day Nasdaq trading lower, currently trading at 15,282. So that is mainly because the technology stocks started trading lower every day. That's why Nasdaq is also down every day. So if you look at Nvidia, last Friday down by around 10%. That is, it's mainly because one of the technology stock, Supermicron computer, which uses Nvidia chip, was down by around 23% because in the pre-announcement of the result, it's not to the revenue guidance is not to the expectation. That's why the Supermicron computer stocks were down by around 23%, which has a cascading impact with Nvidia stock, and the Nvidia stock was down by around 10%, and the Astera Labs down by 9%, because of which Amazon also there is an impact and down by around 2.6%. Now other stocks like Meta down by 4%, Micron Technologies down by around 4%, and the chip making companies Applied Material, Lam Research and AMD all were down. AMD down by around 5.4%. So things were not good for the US market, but let us wait and see how US market kickstarts in a fresh week today on Monday. So US Treasury yield bond trading at 4.66, bit high only. So this has to come down for the US market to stabilize. So we should keep a watch on this, the Treasury yield now. Brent crude trading at $87, so which is a good news. Last week it touched $90, started trading above $90. In a fresh start for this week, so the beginning is good. So Brent crude trading at below $87. These are all the updates from the US market. Coming back to the Indian market, it's a fantastic rally for both Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's a gap up opening today, and the gap up opening was maintained throughout the day, and both Nifty and Bank Nifty ended positive today. It's a fantastic rally. If you look at last week, we touched 21,777, but after that, our Indian market started moving higher, and Friday our market Nifty up by around 152 points, and the momentum continued today also. It's a fantastic rally, and finally Nifty ended 189 points higher, and Bank Nifty ended by 350 points higher. Nifty PSU Bank ended up by around 3% actually today. So key stocks SBI, ICICI Bank, Reliance, BPCL, Tata Consumer, Infosys, TCS, all these stocks ended higher today. Nifty PSU Bank up by around 3%. Broader market, small cap up by around 1.3%, and mid cap up by around 0.8%. Small cap stocks Exide up by around 5%. So last week, 1 or 2 days, Exide traded lower. So after the tie-up with Kia and MG, it was continuously in the rise, but last week 1 or 2 days it traded lower, but again it's up today by around 5%. So if you look at Hindustan Copper, IIFL, SJVN, all these stocks traded higher in the small cap indices. So other key updates are Emirates NBD and Japan's Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group and Sumitomo Mitsubishi Bank Corporation. They were considering a bid for India's 6th largest bank, which is nothing but the Yes Bank. So if this process is through, then it's good for Yes Bank shareholders. So let us wait and see. So this is an update from Money Control, courtesy moneycontrol.com, and GSPL stock traded lower by around 20%, touched the lower circuit of 20%. That is mainly because there is a tariff revision by PNGRB, Petroleum and Natural Gas Board. The tariff division is from 34 to 18.1 per metric million British thermal unit. So because of this downward tariff revision, GSPL stock down by around 20%. So this is directly going to impact the EPS by 30 to 40%. But investors were expecting around a 10% revision, but this seems to be around 47% downward tariff division, because of which this stock traded lower today, hitting the lower circuit of 20%. However, GSPL is in discussion with Petroleum and Natural Gas Board. So let's see the outcome. So if there is any change, then probably I will update in my video. So Tata Communication stock is also down continuously for the 8th or 9th day. So today also it's down. This is something we need to watch. And oil trading below $87, we updated in this video itself, because of which oil marketing companies BPCL, HPCL, Oil India, IOCL all traded higher today. Reliance Industries results expected today, so we have to wait and watch. So if there is any surprise in the Reliance Industries results above the investors expectation, then probably we can relook at the Nifty range, because Reliance is one of the heavyweight in Nifty. So if the stocks moves higher rapidly, then probably this is going to have impact in the Nifty range actually. So that is something we need to wait and watch. UBS upgrades Voltas, so their target is 1800. So that is something we have to look at actually, because earlier we studied about this. When the temperature rises, the refrigerator stock prices also increases. Today Voltas stock up by around 7%. So these are all the updates from the Indian market. So let us wait and see. I still keep the range of 21,800 to 22,500 for Nifty. However, we have Reliance results today, so any change in the range will be depend upon the Reliance Industries results today. If the results beat the expectation, then probably Nifty may cross 22,500. That is also a possibility. So let us wait and see. So thank you for watching my video.